Hi guys, Carly here with Recreational Power Sports, here to take you through a new trade-in that we just got. So this one here is a 2017 Lund 1775 Renegade. So it's a 17-foot boat, really nice boat here, and definitely has a lot of really nice features on it. So starting off on the trailer, you can see that it's a nice Lund trailer. With that rock guard material on it, so just to help with any rock chips or anything. You do have the swing away tongue on it, as well, of course, your winch and everything. This trailer also does come with a spare tire, so just always really nice, just to in case something happens on the road. Starting off with the boat itself, at the bow here, you can see that there is a Minn Kota Edge trolling motor with foot pedal, as well as the Minn Kota anchor. And then there is a Lowrance fish finder here at the front as well. So this boat is a very nice Lund, almost like a deck boat. So very shallow, lots of space up in the bow to use for fishing, as well as lots of storage, which I'll show you more when we get inside. This is the side console unit, so it does have the steering wheel as well. You can see it's got a nice Humminbird 9 fish finder on it. Do have 3 seats here at the middle as well. We've got the 1 fishing seat at the front, 2 at the back, as well as there is a 4th fishing seat. So there is lots of options for where to sit, where to fish, just all of that. You can see this does have a little bit of a load guide on the trailer as well. The hull itself is in pretty good shape. A few little scrapes, but really not too much. It's in really good condition. This guy here is paired with a 90 Honda Outboard. So nice motor, good power for a boat this size. We weren't able to determine hours on this, but it is an EFI motor. We just weren't able to plug it into our computers here. It does say on the Humminbird that there is 291 hours on it, but we do not have a way to confirm that. You can see at the back here, there is a little bit of a rope ladder to just kind of help get in and out, just that little bit easier. And then you can see down this side. So again, the load guy, and the boat is in really good condition. You can also see from the outside that this guy is already equipped with the Bimini, so just to help with those sunny days when you're on the lake. Let's hop inside and I'll show you all the interior. So inside the boat, you can see just how much room there is on this front casting platform. There's so much room up here. We've got the 1 seat that's here that we've got positioned right now in the middle, but there is 2 other locations that you could put it. As well, you could move this one over and even put the 4th fishing seat up here at the front, with the Minn Kota down in the water. So again, we've got the Minn Kota trolling motor, the anchor, you got the foot pedal in the middle here, nice good location. And then all the storage that this boat has. So on this side here, there's a nice storage area, as well on this side as well. You've got a middle storage area here. And then in front here is one of the wet boxes. So this boat does not have live wells. They're not functioning. So the boxes are wet boxes only. You've got rod storage on this one side here. As well, there is a cooler spot right here in the middle. Keep those drinks cold while you're out on the lake. Again, we've got our side console here, the seating, and then even more storage in the back here. So on this side right here, you got a nice spot in the middle. A really nice big area for fishing, for tools, for whatever you might need, your tackle box. On this side as well, similar storage to that side. And then in the back here, if I pop out these seats, So again, you've got 3 spots back here that you can put the added fishing seats. Again, a nice big casting platform back here. You've got all of your batteries. So you've got your trolling and your main batteries back here. And then you actually have a hookup on this side right here to plug in for your trolling batteries to charge them. So really nice feature, so you don't have to take them out necessarily if you don't want to. So this guy here, again, is a 2017 Lund 1775, so 1775 Renegade. It has been run through our shop. It's fully serviced. You can see the Bimini is keeping me nice and dry right now. We've got this guy listed. You can come on down to the dealership to check it out, or you can check it out on the website, recreationalpowersports.com. Great fishing boat, ready to go for the spring for the lake.